പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം. പോയിടാം നാം
Law of restitution. Exodus chapter 22. When someone steal an ox or a sheep and slaughter it or sell it, the thief shall be paid 5 oxen for an ox and 4 sheep for a sheep. The thief shall make restitution, if unable to do so, shall be sold for the thief. When the animals, whether ox or donkey or sheep, is found alive in the thief's possession, the thief shall be paid double. If a thief is found breaking in and beaten to death, no blood guilt is incurred. But if it happens after sunrise, blood guilt is incurred. When someone causes a field or vineyard to be grazed over, or lets livestock loosen to be grazed in someone else's field, restitution shall be made from the best in the honor field or vineyard. When fire breaks out and catches in thorns, so that the struck grain or the standing grain or the field is consumed, the one who started the fire shall be make full restitution. When someone's delivered to a neighbor's money or goods for a safe keeping, and they are stolen from the neighbor's house, then the thief, if caught, shall pay double. If the thief is not caught, the owner of the house shall be brought before God to determine whether or not the owner had laid hand on the neighbor's goods. If any case of disputing ownership involving ox, donkey, sheep, cloth, or any other losses of which one party says, "This is mine," the case of both parties shall come before God. The one whom God consumed shall pay double to other. When someone delivers to an other a donkey, ox, sheep, or any other animal for safekeeping, and it dies, or is injured, or is carried off without any one seeing it, an oath before the Lord shall decide between the two of them that the one has not laid hand on the property of the other. The, the owner shall accept the oath, and no restitution shall be made. But if it was stolen, restitution shall be made to its owner. If it was mangled by beast, let is brought and is evidence, restitution shall be made for mangled remains. When someone draws an animal from other and it's injured or dies, the owner not being present, full restitution shall be made. If the owner was present, there shall be no restitution. If it was heard only, the hearing fee is due. Social and religious law. When a man seduces a virgin who is not engaged to be married and lies with her, he shall be given the bride price for her and make her his wife. But her father refused to give her to him. He shall pay an amount equal to the bride price for virgin. You shall not permit a female sorcerer live. Whoever lies with an animal shall be put to death. Whoever sacrifices to any god, other than the Lord alone, shall be devoted to destruction. You shall not wrong or oppress a resident alien, for you were aliens in the land of Egypt. You shall not possess any wisdom or proclaim if you have accessed them. When they cry out to me, I will show indeed they cry. My wrath will burn, and I will kill you with the sword, and your way shall become wisdom, and your children are plain. If you lend money to my people to the poor among you. You shall not deal with them as creditor, you shall not extend the interest from them. If you take your neighbor cloak the prow, you shall not restore it before the sun goes down. For it may your neighbor only clothes to use as cover, in that else shall the person sleep. And if your neighbor cries out to me, I will listen, for I am compassionate. You shall not relieve God or cross a leader for your people. You shall not delay to make offering from the fullness of your harvest, from the outflow of your presence. The firstborn of your son you shall give unto me. You shall do the same with your oxen and with your sheep. 7 days it shall remain with its mother. On the 8 days you shall give it to me. You shall do, you shall be people consecrated to me. Therefore you shall not eat any meat that mangled by beast in the field. You shall not throw it to the dogs.
ഇടാം നാം ലോകം മുഴുവനും